Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
हल्लीच एका नव्या समितीची नेमणूक केली आसा बोर्डान. मुळात मॅनिफेस्टो तयार करचे काम हांवें अनेक वर्सां केलां. जुन्या मोगो पक्षान काम करीत आसतना तर ते सगळे मॅनिफेस्टो करचे काम स्वताच करतालो हांव इतरांच्या सगळ्यांच्या मदतीन. आनी काँग्रेसीनी नंतर म्हाका एक काम दिल्लें. आतांय हांवें थारायलें अशें की प्रथम गोव्याची जे प्रश्न आसात गोव्याचे त्या प्रश्नाची जंत्री करप. गोव्याचो विकास कशा प्रकारे जावचो आसा फुडें. गोव्याचे जे विविध घटक आसात, लोक जे आसात, महिला आसात, भुरगे आसात, जाणटे आसात आनी युवक आसात, ह्यांच्या प्रश्ना संदर्भात कोणती भुमिका पक्षान घेवची हे सगळेच त्या मॅनिफेस्टोन ताचो समावेश आमी करतले.
So now they have appointed certain committees. Elections are coming. It's very important that everybody must work together in unity and see the results whatever is possible.
I'm very happy today after seeing the list. I don't fit in in that list. You saw that list. I don't fit I don't get into that list. I don't fit in that list. In a politics, there is no corruption cases against me. Okay, I can say it. Baba, I am with the Congress. Please vote for Congress. Please vote for us. Most sincere. Okay, with the Congress. Maybe he did not got no opportunity to get elected. He been used as a step in here and there. That doesn't mean he lost. He lost Panjim. He lost there. You know, he been last moment been used as a step in. That was a time. But at least in a publicly, he is not. Nobody can blame him. He's a corrupt because he never got elected MLA or he never been a minister. So at least clean image he has. That before I joined, before there is a lot of within the Congress they wanted to have change the leadership. Okay, but I stood. I said at this point of time, no, there's hardly time. You know, there was hardly time. I am not here to complain, but as a family, everybody have to understand.
This thing I सांगितलें in the interest of the party. So after the High Command has, whether I am happy or unhappy, that question doesn't arise. As a congressman, I have to accept.
So we wanted a change in the presidency.
You know what I had said before. You understand? The same thing I had told the High Command. So what High Command does in the interest of the party, I have to follow. ना जालनी आतुलो आतां कोण जालनी आमकां आमी कोत्ताले आमकां जाय ते भशेन कोतले काय म्हूण आतां पार्टीन डिसिजन घेतलां हांवें आतां अग्रेशन करून कितें मेळटा.
बरें जालें, खूब बरें जालें. कारण हे इलेक्शना कडचे शेवटचे आतां 3-4 महिने काय 4 महिने हांव सांगू शकना. पण एक पक्षाच्या दृश्टीन एक स्थिरतेच्या दृश्टीन एक बरी गजाल जाली. तांकां त्या पदाचेर तांकां दवरले. त्या बरोबर कार्याध्यक्ष म्हणून अलेक्स सिकेर यांची जी निवड झाली बरें जालें. आनी यांच्या नेतृत्व जे आसा ते समर्थ आसा आनी वेळोवेळी दिसलेलें आसा. त्यांची धडाडी खास करून गिरीश चोडणकराची दिसलेली आसा. बरें काम करपी एक तरुण नेतृत्व आसा. तर त्यांच्या बरोबर आम्ही पुरायपणान आसतले.
तुमकां को-प्रचारक म्हणून गोवा प्रदेश निवड जाल्लेले आसा. तर ह्या वेळार खंयचे मुद्दे तुमी लोकां फुडें दवरतले?
सर्वात प्रथम माझी ह्या पदाचेर माझी निवड केली. पक्षान माझे एक सार्थ असो विश्वास दवरलो. तो विश्वास हांवें जाणीवपूर्वक ते काम करतले आनी जे कितें करपाचें आसा पक्षा खातीर ते पुराय करपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसतलो.